Hello guys, in this video, I will show you an alternative to Camo Studio. It doesn't have all the advanced features that Camo Studio offers, but it's an excellent option for the price if you want to use your phone camera as a webcam on PC. First, open your browser and search for iVCam. So go to the official website, download the software, install it and then launch the application. Once it opens, make sure both your phone and PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Next, install the iVCam app on your phone and open it. Then grant the required permission and it should automatically connect. On the iVCam PC client, click the three lines menu to access the settings. In here, you can customize various options including changing the background. You can even upload your own custom image to use as a background. The settings menu also lets you adjust the camera frame rate, video quality and several other options to get the best experience. As you can see, iVCam is a simple and affordable way to connect your phone camera to your PC. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.